Hello students, today we will learn about the bimetallic strip, how it works and its practical application in everyday life. A bimetallic strip consists of two different metals such as iron and brass or copper, rigidly joined together side by side. These metals have different rates of expansion when heated. In other words, one metal expands more than the other when both are heated by the same amount. Now, what happens when the strip is heated? When heat is applied, both metals expand. However, because brass has a greater coefficient of linear expansion than iron, it expands more. Since the two metals are firmly attached together, they cannot separate. As a result, the strip bends. The brass, which expands more, forms the outside of the curve, while the iron, which expands less, forms the inside of the curve. When the strip is cooled, the metal contracts. Again, they contract by different amounts, causing the strip to bend in the opposite direction. This bending action is the principle behind the operation of a bimetallic strip. But why is this important? The ability of a bimetallic strip to bend in response to temperature change makes it very useful in temperature measuring and temperature control devices. Let's look at some of its applications. 1. Thermostat. One of the most common applications of a bimetallic strip is in thermostat, found in electric irons, electric kettles, refrigerators, and air conditioners. When the temperature reaches a preset value, the strip bends and breaks the electrical circuit, switching off the appliance. As the appliance cools, the strip returns to its original position and reconnects the circuit. This helps maintain a constant temperature and prevent overheating. 2. Fire alarms. Bimetallic strips are used in some fire alarm systems. When the surrounding temperature rises significantly during a fire, the strip bends and completes an electrical circuit, triggering the alarm and alerting people to the danger. 3. Bimetallic strip thermometers. These thermometers use the bending of a bimetallic strip to indicate temperature. As the temperature changes, the strip bends and moves a pointer across a calibrated scale. 4. Clocks and watches. Bimetallic strips are used in the balance wheel of some clocks and watches to compensate for temperature changes, helping them keep accurate time. In summary, a bimetallic strip is made of two different metals joined together. Because the metals expand by different amounts, when heated, the strip bends. Understanding the bimetallic strip help us appreciate how the principle of thermal expansion is applied in everyday life. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.